In today's hyper-connected world, constant notifications can disrupt our focus and peace of mind. Thankfully, Xiaomi offers a robust solution with its Do Not Disturb feature. And in this quick video, I'll show how you can enable it and set it up. So let's start. First of all, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then, scroll down a little, find Sound and Vibration. Next, scroll down a little and come to the Do Not Disturb section. From here, you can just toggle this feature on and you will not hear any notifications or calls until you turn it off. If you want, you can schedule it to turn on and off at a specific time by turning on Schedule Turn On Time feature. You can also let specific callers get through it. For that, just tap on Notify About Calls. Then select the option that seems appropriate to you. You can also select if you want to be notified about repeated callers from here. So that's it. That's how you turn on and set up Do Not Disturb mode on Xiaomi phone. If the video was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Want more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.